Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do NCERT Class 10th Exercise 3.1 Pair of linear equations in two variables. Question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. It's very easy. We are going to deal with variables. I'm going to take the present age of Aftab as x. Let current age or the present age of Aftab x, and I'm going to take his daughter. Let current age of his daughter as y. We are going to form the equations based on the given sentences, given conditions. Let's read the first sentence. 7 years ago. So we are going to write both the ages 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Obviously, it is the past. So we need to take away 7 from this. After will be x minus 7. And his daughter will be y minus 7. Isn't it? Y minus 7. Now, what is given? 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. So, after be 7 times as old as his daughter. So, after take the left side as Aftab's age is equal to Aftab is 7 times as old as his daughter, which is y minus 7. So, based on the given first condition, first statement, I have written the first equation, but I am going to still simplify this. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 7 sevens of 49. I am going to still simplify this, make it as a linear equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Now take 7y here and negative 7 here. What will happen? When you take 7y to the left side, minus 7y is equal to negative 49 already there, and this minus 7 will become plus 7. Now x minus 7y is equal to negative 49 plus 7. So different signs we need to take away and keep the larger number sign, negative 42. Let this be equation 1. Now, based on the second statement, we are going to form another equation. Let me continue in the next page. 3 years from now. So, I am going to write 3 years from now. That means future tense. We need to add 3. So, after will be x plus 3 from the current age, and daughter will be y plus 3. X plus 3, y plus 3. Now, what is the condition? 3 years from now, I shall be, that means Aftab shall be 3 times as old as his daughter. 3 times. Let me form the equation. Aftab will be 3 times as old as his daughter. So that's why x plus 3 is equal to 3 times y plus 3. Simplify, make it as the simplest equation. 3y, 3 3s are 9. Again, take 3y here and 3 here. Plus 3y will become minus 3y equals 9 plus 3. When you take it to the right side, minus 3. X minus 3y is equal to 6. This is equation 2. We finished the first part of the question. We actually represented the given situation algebraically. So one of the equations x minus 7y is equal to negative 42, and the other one is x minus 3y is equal to 6. What next? we need to represent them graphically also. Let me show you in the next whiteboard. First, I'm going to write the first equation. And whenever we need to actually graph a given linear equation, we need to form the xy table, as you know very well. Minimum two coordinates is okay. It can be 2 to 3. That is enough to draw a line. What we will do, usually we will take some random values for x and find out the respective y value based on the given equation. So I'm going to take some easy numbers, 0, and then as it is the coefficient of 7, let me take 7. Substitute it here and find out the respective y. X is equal to 0 first. 0 minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Usual way of solving linear equations, as it is multiplication already, do the inverse operation, dividing by 7, negative 7 without missing. So y is equal to 6. 6 sevens are 42. Y is equal to 6. Substitute it here or fill it in the table. Now I'm going to substitute x is equal to 7. 7 minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Take 7 to the other side, minus 7. Minus 42 minus 7 is equal to minus 49. Again divide by 7, negative 7. Y is equal to 7 sevens are 49, positive 7. Fill it here. Now we got the two coordinates already. What are the coordinates? 0, comma 6. X coordinate first and then the y coordinate. And another point 7, comma 7. So we are going to make use of that to represent graphically. Let us continue in the next board. X minus 3y is equal to 6. Again we need to find out the two coordinates. Let me form the xy table. Again, I am going to take some easy numbers for x. 0 and 3 is the coordinate. If I take multiples of 3, it will be easier for me without decimals. So let me take it as 6. Now finding out the respective y, substitute here. X is equal to 0 minus 3y is equal to 6. Now there is nothing here. Divide by negative 3 both the sides. Y is equal to negative 2. So fill the table. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 2. Now let me use 6 for x now. 6 minus 3y is equal to 6. When you take 6 to the other side, 6 minus 6, which is 0. Negative 3y is equal to 0. So when you divide a 0 by any number, it's going to give you 0 again. Y value 0. Now what are the two coordinates? For this particular equation, 0, negative 2. Write it in this order, x first and then y. Don't take it this order. And the other coordinate 6, comma 0. Now I'm going to show you in the graphing paper in the grids, xy plane. As you know, horizontal line is the x-axis, vertical line is the y-axis. This is the origin 0, comma 0. And on the right side of the origin, we have positive x. On the left side of the origin, we have negative x. And above the origin, positive y. Below the origin, negative y. Let me take the first equation and the coordinates. This was the first equation and the coordinates were 0, 6, 7, 7. I'm going to plot them. 0, 6 is here. 7, comma 7. 7. As you know, this is how we will plot. You already know the coordinate geometry. 7, 7 here. I need to join them. This is the first equation. After graphing the line, please write the respective equation above or below the line, which is must. Now, let me write the second equation. I am going to show that. X minus 3y is equal to 6. And the two coordinates we found it in the table, 0, negative 2, 6, comma 0. Plot them. 0, negative 2 here. 0, negative 2, 6, comma 0 is this. Joining the two coordinates using the line is giving us the graph of the second equation. I need to write the equation here. So we finished the part 2 of the question as well. We represented the given situation graphically also. Okay, children, I hope you understood this question completely. Kindly share this with your friends if you find this really helpful. See you in our next video. Take care.